My role within private banking is to analyze and design lending structures for our customers. They're mostly high-end, high-profile international clients. And more specifically, I handpick the best projects that we are offered out there in order to have them approved by the credit committee. There's three major products within private banking. The first one is what we call advance on portfolio or Lombard loan, which basically is a facility that is offered based on the guarantee that is liquid and diversified. So typically a portfolio of securities that is deposited with ING. With this facility, the client has the ability to finance virtually anything as long as it's within the realm of the ethical possibilities of ING. The major product is mortgage finance. From ING Luxembourg, our clients have the ability to either purchase or refinance their high-end real estate properties in most countries in Western Europe. So we have the ability to finance in the UK, in Belgium, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, France, Switzerland, and since a few months only, we have the ability to finance in Spain as well. Finally, our third and most exotic product, which is also my favorite, is what we call yacht financing. We have the ability to offer to some of our best clients the financing of the purchase or refinancing of their super yachts. Why is it my favorite? It's because I also come from a maritime background. My father is a captain on yachts for about 20 years now, and he taught me how to pilot, how to maintain yachts and everything about them. And so I've been in the industry for quite a while. I've been skipper and captain myself on a few yachts during a couple summer seasons. But now it's really fun to be on one of the other sides of the industry and be able to deliver a similar service to my clients, but through a bank this time. The lending specialist position in private banking is quite central, I would say. We are in permanent touch with three major departments. The one being first the commercial side. Those are the people who are in constant contact with the clients. Through them, we are also visiting the clients, having conference calls with them, meeting them somewhere, and this is to get a first flavor of what they're trying to achieve, what are their projects, and how we can deliver a service to them. Once we have as many information as possible, we build up a package. We draft a loan request and we analyze. We go through a whole lot of documentation to do this loan request. When we come up with the final package, we have to submit it to a department that's called credit risk, which is also a central department in the bank. And those are the people who are responsible for analyzing the risk side of the transaction. Once this is done and those people give their approval, we then go to what's called a credit committee, where the executive committee of the bank gathers, and which is where they say yes or no to a specific offer. My goal as a lending specialist is to have all of my projects approved by this committee. When I started off as an intern with ING in the private banking department, my initial goal was to actually do 6 months of internship and then move on to do a master's degree. But during those 6 months of internship, one of my managers offered me the possibility to actually have the best of both worlds, an employment on the side, and as well as being able to continue my studies and do a master's here in Luxembourg. Managers and I would say executive in ING give freedom and ability for the employees to develop themselves and acquire additional skills. In addition to this, as a very large bank and a worldwide bank, there's also a lot of possibility for movement. There's many positions open worldwide, and management encourages you to develop yourself and move around. So I think as someone who is young and is willing to develop himself and see a lot of new things, ING is one of the best places to work for this.